Good morning, people. Welcome back to this wonderful and amazing morning. I'm so grateful and thankful for this wonderful and beautiful morning again. I'm so thankful for God that I have one more day. And सुबह सुबह मैं खेत की तरफ आई थी और लुक एट द व्यू बहुत ही ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है। और ये कल मैंने लगाई थी मेहंदी, मैंने तो नहीं, दीदी ने लगाई थी। लुक एट my mehendi, amazing. I love putting mehendi on my hand. And that's it.
So, my lovely people, again I'm back with the vlog. But in this vlog, there is nothing interesting, but it is about nature, the beauty of nature, calmness, stillness. Nature teaches us how to be calm and how to go with the flow, no matter how many difficulties are there on your way. Just keep moving forward. Enjoy your journey and just flow. And the rising sun teaches us how to raise yourself. No matter how many difficulties there are in your life, how many people are pulling you down, but still raise yourself and show them what you can do in you know I can't talk more about nature. I'm obsessed with nature, and whenever I'm little sad, I just surround myself with nature and magic happens. Look at this beauty. I can't talk in words. I can express this beauty in words. Birds chirping. It's wonderful.